Good day to thee, my lovely lords and ladies. I hope this video finds thee faring well. Now, I've got a bit of a project here. It's a shorter video than I normally do, but I really had to get this project done. A bit of context here. It's Christmas Eve, and I've just realized that I don't have a gift for somebody, so I'm kind of missing one. I know it's been a while since Christmas, and that's fine. Projects take a while. But I thought I would do a little embroidery thing for our next door neighbor. A nice little dish towel or something. The lady is super sweet. We absolutely love her. Anyways, the way I'm going about this is how I always do my embroidery. Instead of buying different patterns or buying my paper with pre-stenciled, I simply find a picture that I really like online, print it out, and then I trace that onto my fabric. But it's really hard to see unless you have it up against some sort of big light. So our sliding glass door is actually the perfect thing. You just gotta kind of tape it up there. Once all the tracing is done, I can easily sit down and start the embroidery itself. Well, once I figure out what order to put things down, because, yeah, I don't always plan things out. As you can see, I didn't trace out the full design because I knew I did not have enough time to do that entire thing. So I only did a portion. Now, if you've never done embroidery before, it's actually really straightforward. Basically, you get a hoop, or I'll even show you eventually how to do a homemade style hoop. I taught myself how to do embroidery on a mason jar lid with rubber bands. Anyways, you just stick it over the first hoop, the smaller one, and the bigger hoop goes on top of that, and then you tighten it into place and just start stitching away. There's lots of different stitches you can do. Some are really easy, some are a little trickier. I decided to do 3 different ones for this particular, I just forgot the word I was going to say, this particular project. I'll show you some more of those in detail later. After we got back from the Christmas Eve service, I sat down with a mug of hot tea. I promise it's not coffee this time, and went straight back to work. Though I do have a little challenge for you. I want to hear down in the comments section down below how many times you see the cats appear into the frame. They're up to some interesting little shenanigans, and I'm curious how many times you could spot them. I have also never in my life worked on a project consecutively this long. It was kind of driving me insane, and I'm really proud of myself for going as far as I did, for as long as I did. If you do the math between the timestamps, you'll see what I mean. I'm so close. So close. Okay, so, small confession. I finished the rest of the embroidery project off camera. I had a trip coming up, and I really needed to get it done. I had 2 trips actually that were coming up, and I really needed to get it done. And yeah, so I finished the last of it off camera. It took me probably about an hour to finish the last of it. So here it is. What do you think? I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Yeah, super happy. I've got 3 different stitches in it. Let me get a little closer and I'll show you. I have no idea what any of these, oh, that's weird. I have no idea what any of these are called, but I've got the one where it looks like a little spiral. I've got, if it'll focus, the one where you come in and out in place. Come on, focus, it's refusing. And then I've got the little woven one. So you do long lines and you weave in and out. So that's 3 different stitches. And I'm so happy with the way this turned out. So, yeah. Now all I gotta do, oh, and here's the back. So the back is always pretty ugly, but that's okay. It's meant to be like that. It's the front part that needs to be pretty. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna pop it out of the hoop and we'll see what it looks like. There we go. Ta-da! Ah, I love it. Here we go. Alrighty. That's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. As always, give me a like if you liked it. Leave in the comment section below if you've got any tips, tricks, or anything like that. And subscribe if you want to help me out. But otherwise, good luck, have fun.